Kirafu gĩa KCB na Kabras iratigire ifunganite try 10-10 thutha wa mbura nene iria iraurire na gutuma ngucanio iyo ya muthako wa gonya ya mbitika ya Kenya Cup yage guthi na mbere kurumirira mbura iyo gukorwo igitemana. KCB iranjiriirie ngucanio iyo na miaki thutha wa kugia na try ya mbere kuitukira kuri Brian Wahinya uria urafungire mukwanjo wa penalty na kwa KCB utongoria wa points 3-0 mbere ya Fidel Maina afungite try igi. Wahinya arafungire conversion na kwa KCB utongoria wa points 10-0. Kabras mararutire maguru gonya thutha ucio na marage na try ya penalty 5 na maracoka kuongerera conversion ya point 2 mbere ya Eric Clantonia afungite penalty na kuiganania maundu mbere ya ngucanio ino kuninwo.
We started our journey well. Bringing in these boys have closed a lot of margins for us, where we were and where we are now. So it's a matter of just bringing them in and letting them just blend in seamlessly without seeing the problem. But we like the way they are playing. We like how they have been adapted into the team.
It is a motivation to us today picking that draw. The next match is against the Falcons. Of course, we respect each team, but I believe the boys will be there. Unfortunately, the Kenya Sevens boys won't be available, but I believe the team is capable of doing the task.